All right, my people. So in today's video, I want to help another of our team member to make his first withdrawal. Okay, this video will show you how to make your withdrawal. And I notice also that our team member have not set up his withdrawal address. Okay, so this video will also help you to learn how to set up your withdrawal address. It's quite easy. It's not difficult at all. So please watch this video from the beginning to the end for you to see how withdrawals are being made in eState. Withdrawals are processed very, very fast. You don't need to wait for 24 hours. You just receive it within minutes, just minutes. Okay, so sit back and watch the remaining part of this video. Thank you. All right, so if this is your first withdrawal and you have been to your view assets and then you want to click transfer, and then the withdrawal request form will come up, and then you enter your PIN code. Now remember, this PIN code is sent to you once you finish your registration, or maybe you set it up yourself. So if you enter the PIN code and click withdraw to e-wallet, so click done. So that should appear on your e-wallet momentarily. So if you go back to your main menu,
you mean dashboard?
Your dashboard, yeah.
You mean the dashboard?
Yes, click on dashboard. Now all your money is here. So the next thing you will do is you click open wallet. And then on your right hand side where it says e-wallet management, select withdrawal. And then
I got stuck here.
You've not set up your payment system. So you need to set up your payment system. So let's do that just now. Okay, so click set payment method. And then which cryptocurrency do you want to withdraw to? So they have USDT TRC20, they have USDT BEP20. All right, which wallet do you want to send it to?
I will do Bybit.
Okay, so if you go to your Bybit,
here we are.
Okay, so that is USDT BEP20, right? Okay, double check the first 4 and the last 4 digits, please.
Yes, it's correct.
Okay, now click save changes. Email verification will be sent to you. Sorry, yes. So go to your email and copy or type in the email verification code into there, and then click save changes.
Okay. The wallet settings successfully updated.
There you go. So now go back to your withdrawal page.
Okay, open wallet.
Yeah, open your e-wallet.
Oh, it's updated. I think I was at this point I was not getting rightly. I didn't update this well.
Okay, so now enter 135.22.
Okay,
and then enter your PIN. So you see that a charge of $1.35 will be deducted, which is 1%.
That is that withdrawal PIN.
Yeah, you enter your withdrawal PIN and click confirm.
Request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. All the money is gone.
Means that if you check your email, you should get email, and this withdrawal doesn't take long. You should receive it that you just added the deposit address from. Is it your Mexi account?
No, some Bybit.
Bybit. Okay, so if you go to your Bybit, you should receive this money almost instantly.
Okay, let me check.
Or check your email first. You will see email from email from eState will tell you that the money has been processed. Your withdrawal has been processed.
Yeah, it just came. It says it's been processed.
There you go. So now go and check your Bybit.
Oh yeah, finally it's here.
So it's on your.
Yeah. It's on Bybit.
It's on Bybit. So you have received it now. Okay. Can you take a screenshot of that and send to me, please, so that I can add it to this recording?
Immediately doing that.
Yeah. So that I can also share this with our team members to say a member has made a withdrawal as well and receive it. Okay. So there you go, guys. As you can see, this our member just made a withdrawal from his e-estate account over $100 and he received it within seconds. You saw everything happening on the screen here. So this is a testament to show that e-estate is actually delivering what they promise consistently for the past 6 months, 8 months that they have been around. Now, what I will advise people that are watching this video is, if you are still watching it till now that I'm talking, right, and you have not registered in e-estate, you are already missing withdrawals like this member, right? So if you haven't registered, I will recommend you pick up the link below this video description, register, complete your KYC just like every other person in this platform, and then deposit money and purchase a fraction of real estate here, and then you will begin to earn money. Okay, you notice from the dashboard of this our member that he invested already $600 and right now he made a withdrawal of over $100. So that's a lot of money that you can withdraw within a short space of time when you invest in e-estate. And remember, this profit comes Mondays to Friday, right? And then you can withdraw any day at all that you want, whether it is Saturday, Sunday, you can put in your withdrawal. Okay, so it is working perfectly okay. So right now everything is working fine. I just want you guys to plug into this system and begin to receive your daily earnings and begin to withdraw as you saw earlier. I look forward to seeing some of you that are going to register after watching this video, and I am hoping that we are going to continue to benefit from e-estate going forward. So thank you. God bless.